Hello everyone. The last few weeks have been challenging for everyone. Physical distancing measures can leave you feeling isolated and cut off from friends and family. You may also be experiencing financial insecurity. Now more than ever, supporting you is our top priority. This video will go over the tools and services that Desjardins has put in place to meet your needs. You can call our advisors at 1-800-CAIS any day of the week between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. They're here to answer your questions and concerns. They can even do some financial transactions for you, like bill payments. We've also set up a priority phone line for seniors 70 and over. This means that your calls will be answered first. Another way you can do your banking from home is to use our Accéder online services on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You can do most of the transactions you normally do at the CAIS on your own whenever you want. For example, you'll be able to consult your accounts online, pay your bills, or transfer funds. Plus, it's completely secure. You can also use our online assistant available from your desktop for tips and help using Accéder. If you're not already registered for Accéder, or if you'd like some guidance when doing your first online transactions, you can watch our video tutorials. These videos take you through this process step by step. Our advisors can also help you over the phone. Here's a tip. If you're not in a rush to deposit a check, don't worry, it can wait. You have 6 months to deposit a check before it expires, and government checks never expire. You can also pay by check if the option is available. It will save you a trip to the ATM or your case to take cash out. Some ill-intentioned people are using the public health crisis as an opportunity to take advantage of people, both online and over the phone. Remember to never give out your PIN or passwords. Don't let your guard down. This threat can come from anyone, even among your acquaintances. If you're unsure whether you're being taken advantage of, talk to your CAIS or someone you trust, like a family member, friend, social worker, or police officer. You can even talk to a professional by calling a seniors helpline. Before leaving you, I would like to reassure you as to the continuity of our services. Desjardins is still the leading financial cooperative in Canada, and for the 120 years we've worked together to make it through financial crises like this one. Rest assured that despite the economic slowdown and the physical distancing measures, our priority hasn't changed: to be there for you.